In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay at Sam's Club. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the Afterpay app on your smartphone. If you already have it installed, go ahead and open it. If not, install it first, then sign in to your existing account or create a new one. This is important because the full shopping process starts inside the Afterpay app, not directly on the Sam's Club website. Once you're inside Afterpay, search for Sam's Club in the list of supported retailers. Using the search feature makes this much faster, especially if you're not sure where the store appears in the app. When you find Sam's Club, tap on it to continue. After you select Sam's Club, the app will launch the Sam's Club website or app through Afterpay. This step matters because it connects your shopping session to Afterpay, which is what allows the payment option to work correctly later at checkout. If you skip this and go straight to Sam's Club on your own, Afterpay may not appear as expected. Next, sign in to your Sam's Club account. In most cases, you'll need an active membership to shop, so make sure your account is set up and ready to go before you move forward. Logging in early can also help avoid delays once you're ready to check out. From there, shop as you normally would. Browse the products you want, add your items to the cart, and double-check quantities before moving on. Taking a quick moment to review your cart can help make sure everything looks right before you start the payment process. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. If your purchase is eligible, select Afterpay as your payment option, or follow the Afterpay payment flow to generate a one-time payment method for the order. The exact screens may look a little different depending on whether Sam's Club opens in a browser or inside the app, but the process is generally very similar. After that, review your payment plan carefully. Afterpay will show you the available installment options such as pay in 4 or another plan depending on your eligibility and the total order amount. Make sure you're comfortable with the payment schedule since this is where you'll see what is due now and what will be charged later. Finally, confirm the payment and complete your purchase. Once the order goes through, you should receive confirmation from both Sam's Club and Afterpay. That's it. If you follow the shopping flow through the Afterpay app and check your payment details before confirming, the process should be simple and smooth.